They will rebuild the ruins, they will restore places devastated. They will renew the cities devastated for generations. We will rebuild. Strangers will shepherd your flocks, foreigners will work your fields. You will be called priests, you will be named ministers. We will rebuild. Your feet on their wealth, in their riches you will boast. Instead of your shame, you will receive a double portion. We will rebuild. Instead of disgrace, you will rejoice in your inheritance. You will inherit a double portion. Everlasting joy will be yours. We will rebuild. I love justice, I hate robbery and wrongdoing. I reward my people, I make an everlasting covenant. We will rebuild. Their descendants will be known, their offspring will be known. They are a people blessed, I delight in God. We will rebuild. He clothed me in garments of salvation, arrayed me in a robe of righteousness, adorned my head like a priest, as a bride adorns herself with jewels. We will rebuild. The soil makes the sprout come up, the garden causes seeds to grow. God will make righteousness and praise spring up before all. We will rebuild.